Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to turn on your GPU fan. A GPU fan is a small fan attached to your graphics card, GPU. Its primary function is to cool down the GPU to prevent overheating. What are the advantages or pros of turning on GPU fans? Number one, it prevents overheating, which is the most crucial benefit, because overheating can cause 1. Performance throttling, which means the GPU will automatically reduce its performance to prevent damage, leading to lower frame rates and stuttering in games. 2. Overheating can cause permanent damage. In severe cases, overheating can permanently damage the GPU, rendering it unusable. The second advantage is improved stability. Cooler temperatures ensure the GPU operates more reliably and reduces the risk of crashes or system instability. The third pro or advantage is better performance. By maintaining optimal temperatures, the GPU can operate at its full potential, delivering maximum performance in games and demanding applications. Now let's look at the disadvantages or the cons of turning on the GPU fans. Number one, noise. GPU fans can generate noise, especially at higher speeds. This may be distracting, particularly in quiet environments. Number two, accumulation of dust. Fans can attract dust, which can accumulate on the GPU and other components, hindering airflow and potentially leading to overheating. Number 3. Continuous operation can shorten the lifespan of the fans themselves, leading to wear and tear. This is a picture of a GPU fan, as you can see. Now, how do we turn on the GPU fan? Okay, first of all, you generally don't need to turn on GPU fans manually, because they have an automatic control. Modern GPUs have intelligent fan control systems. These systems automatically adjust fan speeds based on the GPU's temperature. When you also use the GPU software, graphics card manufacturers like NVIDIA and AMD provide softwares like GeForce Experience and Redon software that allows you to 1. Monitor GPU temperature. You monitor the GPU temperature by tracking temperature of your GPU in real time. The app also customizes fan curves. It creates custom fan curves that define how fast the fan should spin at different temperatures. This allows you to balance cooling performance with noise levels. Now, if for whatever reason you're concerned about the GPU temperature, you can do the following. 1. Monitor the temperatures. Using your GPU software, monitor the temperatures during gaming or demanding tasks. Number 2. You can adjust the fan curve if necessary. If temperatures are consistently high, you can adjust the fan curve in your GPU software to increase fan speeds at lower temperatures. Please note the following. It's important to note that excessive fan speed is caused by setting fan speeds too high, and it can increase noise levels and potentially shorten the lifespan of the fans. Also, ensure proper airflow within your computer case by regularly cleaning out dust. If not, it will lead to dust buildup. By using the GPU software and monitoring your temperatures, you can ensure your GPU runs at optimal temperatures without excessive noise. I hope you found this video helpful on how to turn on GPU fans. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like we put up every day. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.